Good morning, everybody. I hope all are you doing good and preparing yourself. As I told you, we have to prepare ourselves 1% daily. So this video gonna very important and also check us whatever we have studied or not. So today video is about antonym synonym quiz. So I have taken 10 questions regarding antonym and synonym. I hope you are enjoying this video. So don't waste time. Let's dive into the video. So here are the direction for you. Question number 1 to question number 5. We have to ask about the synonym. So we have to tell about the synonym of the word. So question number first is write the synonym of denigrate. Write the synonym of denigrate. Here is the option. First is compliment, B is extol, C is disparage, and D is comment. So what is the same meaning of denigrate? So here is the denigrate means to disparage. Option C is the answer of this question. The synonym of denigrate is disparage. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number second is write the synonym of encomium. So what is the meaning of encomium and what will be the same word of encomium? So here is option eulogy, condemnation, censure. So here is the option eulogy, condemnation, censure, and reprimand. So what will be the option of this question? So here is the option number A, eulogy, because it sounds like this encomium. So let's move to the next question. Question number 3, write the same meaning of extol. So what is the same meaning of extol? So here is the first word, besmirch, impugn, applaud, derogate. So here is the answer, applaud. Applaud is the same meaning of extol. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 4, what is the meaning of word eloquence or the same meaning? Here is the question, write the most appropriate word of eloquence. Appropriate word means the synonym, same word of the meaning of eloquence. So here is option for you, fluency, stammering, incoherence, mumble. So eloquence, the same meaning of eloquence is fluency. Okay, next move to the next question. Question number 5, synonym of crass. What is the synonym of crass? So here is our option, asinine, genteel, punctilious, civilized. So what will be the synonym of crass? So here is asinine, gentle, punctilious, civilized. So asinine is the synonym of cross. So here's question 5 in which we have to ask about the synonym. Let's move to the next question. So here are directions also. Question number 6 to question number 10 we have asked about the opposite word. So what we will tell here, we will tell the opposite word. So here is first question, write the antonym of impugn. So what is the antonym of impugn, here is your option: extol, denigrate, besmirch, slander. So opposite meaning of impugn is extol. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Write the antonym of vicious. Here is your option: uncultured, asinine, civilized, cross. So what will be the antonym? So here is antonym will be vicious. Option number C. Okay. So let's move to the question number 8. Write the antonym of indictment. Here is panegyric, rebuke, paean, encomium. So indictment, what will be the antonym of indictment? So panegyric is also a positive word, paean is also a positive word, encomium is also a positive word. Here is rebuke will be the answer of this question. Okay, so option B is right for question number 8. Let's move to the next opposite word of censure. What is the meaning of censure and what will be the opposite word of censure? So here are our option: A, accolade, condemnation, indictment, rebuke. So what will be the opposite word of censure here? Accolade, condemnation, indictment, rebuke. So accolade will be the answer of this question. Let's move to the next question, and question number 10, which is the last question of our video. Write the opposite word of plethora. So what will be the opposite word of plethora? Abundance, excess, scarcity, profusion. So plethora means to excess of things. So here is the exact word is scarcity. Okay, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Enough for today. I hope you are enjoying this video.